Optional argument Python. Have to write some code that defines a function that will work with 2 or 3 arguments. The function should take 3 parameters. Temperature, a float. Weather, a string. Is underscore Celsius, a boolean. The function should return true if temperature is below. Freezing, 32 if is underscore Celsius is false, 0 if is underscore Celsius is true, or if weather is snowy. Otherwise, it should return false. Note, however, that is underscore Celsius should be an optional argument. If the function call does not supply a value for is underscore Celsius, assume it is true. I wrote this. And for the following calls, I'm getting. Can someone help me find what's wrong with my code?
This is not a situation where it makes sense to use **** quarks that would normally be used for wrapper functions. You should simply do something like this to declare is underscore Celsius explicitly as an optional argument. However, if there is some good reason to capture optional arguments in a dictionary, maybe you also need to pass it to a function that you are wrapping, then you could extract the relevant parameter using get with any default value, otherwise it will default to none.
There are a few things here, so let me post an edit to your code and step through the changes with you, smiley face. Boolean expressions. You input is underscore Celsius as a boolean but evaluate it as a string, which is more than a little odd. Instead of trying to match a specific string, i.e. is underscore Celsius equals true in cells column, you can just check the state of the boolean cells, i.e. if cells column. Default arguments. If the function call does not supply a value for is underscore Celsius, assume it is true. Python function arguments can have default values. So using cells equals true is preferable to cells for your desired behavior. Now, cells equals true will be passed to the function if cells is not specified in the function call. Syntax. If you're new to Python, check out PEP 8. The point here is that you should try not to have spaces between a variable name and its value in the function arguments i.e. cells equals true, not cells equals true. Indentation. I'm assuming this was an artifact of you copy-pasting your code. But note that indentation is super important in Python. Note the difference between your code and my example above. It's good practice to ensure your code has proper indentation if you're copy-pasting it into Stack Overflow / somewhere else. Makes it easier for others to read. Good luck out there.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.